What's up with yourself, my people? You don't know the thing on newlink there from newlink production, right? Well, you don't know people today. You just have to talk about a little thing now, because at the end sometime, we see some things that happen where enough people confused to what go on. Even some things that we see happen at Jamaica sometime. In the other part of the Caribbean, same way, Trinidad, Guyana, you know what I mean, St. Lucia, Bahamas, Barbados, every local Caribbean country have them local things that go on. Zine? And sometimes people that wonder and say, yo, what really could have caused this? So you see one little old man or one little young boy and them things they happen when I notice the other one that they are foreign or something. But looking at it now, people. That's why I tell enough money now. Listen here, man. Like that time, people occurred to do things at them yard. Where they them from, as I tell you, from Jamaica, wherever them from. Zine? And them try to do some things, people. And just because they have that local visa thing there, or they have that local passport thing there, and the local money can buy the ticket there, or if them want to jump on a boat and make a move there, them feel like them can do some things, people. And then just move away and gone like that. Leave all of them family and everybody done a yard behind them. Or over this. Them they are foreign now, people. See? Can't manage the lifestyle of foreign. Miss yard now. Miss them family so much. Want go home and can't go home. Because in the henny there's nothing like home, Plenty people in situations like this, no joke thing me I tell you, my viewers and my subscribers. Plenty, do some terrible things a yard, Make some move, want to touch back yard and can't touch back yard, Because them know say once and them touch back yard, a problem, And the talk of the town is, where grandmother always say, you can't catch quack or you catch a shot. Boy, I tell you. Listen me, man. When you find set up on a family life out there straight attack for you. No find do things on make a move, when I run on left on the family, them be left on the mother, on the father, on the brother, on the sister, on the cousin, on the auntie, on the uncle, everybody on the left behind and gone over so. Zine, sometimes when you even remember them for saying even back one something can give them, when you have the people in life at risk. The man they will go to one year or two if you come back when you can't come back, then start lick out in the family one by one, two by two. You understand? Una put in a family life at risk because of foolishness enough for una what do. Lot of people do them things that yo. Una rob people, go around people, do all type of things and set up in a family. You know what people must see in situations like this? Go around people get people money to do them business, transact them business. And at the end them take the people their money and don't do nothing for them. See? When yo, people, me are telling this a real thing, Plenty time we see some things happen in the yard and we think twice and deposit and say, yo, why them one not deserve it? Why them could I really do this to them person? Look at them nice person, them relaxed and everything, but you just don't know the full things that where these things is coming from, Because at times being people, we were there and we see some things being happening in our country in Jamaica, like some crimes and some violence and something, and we are say, yo, what that the man could I really do? With this, that man is an innocent man, don't do nothing. But because of the stupid son we have and the stupid daughter, them are the one who cause them things that happen at times. Being, I'm telling you my people, no joke thing. It's serious, To be honest, people, yo, actually you don't even know, yo. Actually you not even know. You know what people been life in them way, yeah? A lot of people do things to people. You get me? Set up people life. People want to make a move, they say them can't make a move. See them so they and their family, them do the things a yard people. Zine, gone a foreign now. And even their family where they have a foreign would want to come back a yard can't come. Scared. Man a wait as them touch done. Sometimes they feel say, yo, listen me tell you this people. That's why I tell you in a life, be careful of what you do. Be careful of what you do. Zine, because even the other day, a story has reached newlink. I mean, even they talk about it. A brother now say him whatever, I don't know where him do or whatever. But people them say as him touch a Jamaica for the plane and go upon him, reach him yard, yeah, him leave airport and reach him yard. And then I'm cheer sit down and relax now. A man just come and lick out him and clean. Go and left him and cheer upon the veranda. Look at things like that. And them say this man never go yard for a very good while when him there foreign, So all when you link I say, several times we see things that happen. Yo, man, woman, be careful of what you do in your life. Sometimes you feel so you will do a man something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years and he gone. You know, you forgot about that. All of him dead, be careful seeing way, because whatever he will do, you know, you can pass on that to somebody who rate him and respect him like that and that lick out the head for him, you know. And a joke thing, you know. So you see, in the end, whatever you out there doing, be careful of what you do. That's all any willing can say. Just try to stay upon a safer level, upon the better side of this thing, because in this world, there's so much. My God, I even not talk too much because, yo, I won't leave, you know.